Good morning, traders. TG Watkins here. It is August 31st, last day of the month. So, boy, summer might be actually coming to a close here. Anyway, if you guys are interested in the Moxie indicator, you can actually get it on stockcharts.com, and I'm going to be at their headquarters later today. So, we'll look for an interview coming out with them pretty soon. And yeah, have a great time. We always enjoy going out there and seeing the people at Stock Charts. So, if you also enjoy coming over to the Moxie trading room, you can do that for a $7 trial for 30 days. And then the other thing I want to show you, speaking of stock charts, is if we look over here, and this is the breadth, basically. Get my cursor there. And you can see this is the number of stocks over their 20-day SMA. And the thing to point out is we did, after 3 weeks of a big pullback, we got this thing to come down, double bottom, and then move back up. So that was kind of the thing to be watching. And not only did it just do that, but look where it came. Back here, here's a low, and here's a low, and you can see that marked the lows each time. So I thought that was something very interesting to bring to your attention. Now, even though the internals have cycled down and then cycled back up, and we are starting to see that names are starting to move up, you know, they are in an interesting position. So let me kind of show you this. Let's come back over here. Look at FXI, because I'm seeing some similarities just in formation about the FXI versus the Dow, and also the IWM. And so, you know, like the market has had a nice move up off its lows. Okay, so that was the first move. But there should be a pullback in this area, and so far you can see that FXI is pulling back from this area, from exactly where we talk about with the Moxie rules. So you guys kind of see me do this, and you know, the Moxie Traders and the Moxie Trading Room, all that kind of stuff. And we talked about this, and I said 2 days ago that we should be expecting the FXI to pull back from this area because of the Moxie rules. And it is doing that. Now we'll have to give it a few more days until this pullback is actually complete. But then we come over here and we look at the Dow, and the Dow is essentially doing the same thing. It's had its first move up, and we should, at this point, somewhere around here, start to expect a pullback. And so, you know, even though this is a good move, we still just need to be a little bit patient. Hey, we had 3 weeks that the market was getting just creamed to the downside. And you know what? We finally got a bounce, but that bounce is just a bounce so far. We need to actually see if this thing can pull back into support and continue moving up. So let's give the market just a little bit more time. You know, as I said, first move, let's wait for that second move. That's kind of the better trade that I like to trade and enjoy. And let's see if we can actually get this market up and out of this trading range. All right. Thanks again. Hope you guys are doing well. And as I said, we'll see you on Stock Charts interviewing real soon. I'll be heading out to their headquarters this afternoon. Thanks again.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.